Okay, I want to do another quick video. You've all seen me pick this one, the Master 930. Well, I want you to take a quick look at this real quick. This one was made at DAD. What is that? Made in DAD was April of 03. 2003. Okay, so that's what you'd find back in 03. This is what you see now. I mean, they still have the longer shackle version or whatever, but this one was made JAH, JAH, which, why did I throw the paper back down? I don't know. JAH. J is October. This is October 2007. So yeah, according to my previous video, 2006, probably a little after that, is when they stopped putting the security pins in this thing, in these things. Got this one long after I got this one, but this one had no security pins in it. I've since taken care of that. But this one, you look at the back, and you can see 930 and 6230. Okay. Now this one just got the 930. What I think is the difference, this one's a little bit more shiny. The finish is a lot better. The shackles are about the same. This one's probably harder than this one, unless they're the same. It's just overall machining. This one feels better. The old one feels really smooth. This one's got like rough edges. Can kind of hear that. I can't do that on this slide. So what I'm thinking is this is the Pro Series version, the 6230, and this is just the 930, the crap version. Now, I've already picked this, but in the vise it doesn't take very long at all, so I just want to pick it real quick, just for fun. So let me get my wrench in there and all that. Let's just do this real quick. So all the way in the rear, got a false set immediately, which is almost outrageous. Yeah, let's turn it just a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so all the way in the back, that's pin 5. A little counter rotation on 3. Got that set. Okay, back to the rear. Feeling. Feels like, oh, that's totally false. Oh, feels like pin 2 this time. Okay, so that's it. Go back to the back. We got 5 set, 4 set, 3 set, 2 set. I think we just got 1. All that's left is 1. Let's get on it pretty good. Nope. Must be missing one other. Who did I miss? Oh, it's pin 5. Oh, did he relock me? Oh no, maybe. Yeah. I did lose some stuff though. That was 4. There it is. Okay, so that was easy. Let's just take a look at this real quick, because I told you it wasn't guttable, but I've seen a couple videos where you don't have to grind it off. You just have to be able to turn the plug in such a way. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to unpick this. Sorry, have to move the camera. I am really sorry about this awkward camera thing, but figure out the deal with the frickin' cameras I got. Alright, so here it is. Let's unpick it. And let's go back the other way. Let's see, yeah. Yeah, it is one. It starts that plug thing. Anywho, here's the bidding. Oh my goodness, I gotta find something. Just use the lock body. Here's the bidding. If you want to go confirm that with the other video, that this is the same core, go ahead, do whatever. It's the same core. It's got that little teat on the end there. So the older versions have those probably. So we're gonna go right in there. To plug power. I have not gutted this, so I have no idea what's in here. It's gonna be just a surprise to you as it is to me. And apparently I can't get this through here, probably because of the little teat thing. Kinda gonna have to use the plug as a follower. So in 5 we got a spool. Turn that upside down. Oop! Jumped out. Grabbed him. So we got another spool. Oh, god damn it. Oh, it's right here. Okay, shoot. So that was another spool. Another spool. I'll give you odds. It's another spool. Yep. So 5 spools. And then I guarantee all the key pins are normal. But just for shits and giggles. They don't want to come out, do they? So there's what we're looking at. 5 spools, all standard key pins. Just wanted to give you a little closure on this lock. I wanted to know myself, so I found another lock I had with this same kind of little teat on the core instead of a C-clip. So that's that. Gutted. Thanks for watching. Be legal.